So I told you guys in a vlog that we had deer in the back and we set up a deer camera and got pictures of them and everything. And I've been meaning to show you guys those pictures. I just haven't gotten around to it until now. So here we go. For sure we have 3 deer, 2 bucks, 1 doe. We might have more and they just haven't showed up on the camera yet. We're not very sure, but we are sure that we have 3 of them. Oh yes, that was a possum. She found our camera. And if you guys notice a little black circle on the deer's leg, that means it's mating season. So the girl might be pregnant. That'd be super awesome to see a baby. We actually think that one of the males might be her baby from like a year or 2 ago. This or not, but at the bottom of the picture it says like what time the picture was taken and everything. And so these deer are coming out at 6:30 in the afternoon, right after dark, and they're staying out until like 11 p.m. But on some of the pictures they stayed out until like 6 a.m. So they stay out until right before sunlight. And drum roll please. It's the one, the only mystery animal. What the hell is that? Somebody please tell me what that thing is. Is it a fox? Is it a bobcat? The world may never know. Seriously, comment down below and tell me what you think the mystery animal is. My mom thinks a bobcat mated with one of the neighbor's cats and that's their baby, and it's like a bobcat slash cat, weirdest thing ever. And my dad and my uncle think it's a fox because the tail is bushy and it's long and it's not like a bobcat tail, and the feet are all black. So they think it's a fox. My mom thinks it's a bobcat. I want to know what you guys think. Whatever it is, I'm scared of the thing. So that is all the pictures we have right now. We still have the camera out there and we will check it in a few days and see what we got, and I'll show you guys what we got, but I have to say goodbye for now. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, comment down below and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!